goodness, it's so thrilling to be a part of this movie. It's a all-girl gang, R-rated action comic book movie. It's amazing. Dinah Lance, you know, she's very much so the Dinah Lance we love from the comic books. This nightclub singer, she works in our film at Roman Sionis' Black Mass Club, and she's struggling to find her voice and to really own her power. She's very much so a reluctant hero, and will have to go on her path of, you know, owning her true powers. You know, I think they'll expect a wild ride. I think they'll expect, you know, they should expect a crazy narrative told through Harley's perspective, and it's quacky and violent and unreliable and poppy and a different side of Gotham than we've seen before.